Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to find leads in Apollo.io. If you're doing sales outreach, recruiting prospects, or building a marketing contact list, finding the right leads is critical. Apollo gives you powerful tools to search for decision makers, filter companies, and organize leads so you can use them for outreach campaigns or CRM workflows. To begin, open your browser and sign into your account on Apollo.io. Once you're logged into the dashboard, navigate to the Search section and select People Search. This tool allows you to search for professionals based on criteria such as job title, company size, industry, location, and many other filters. Now we'll focus on one of the most important lead generation strategies in Apollo, using personas. Personas help you target specific types of professionals who are most likely to be decision makers or relevant contacts for your outreach. For example, in this case, we'll target roles such as Director, Operations Manager, and Marketing Head. To do this, go to the Persona filter in the search panel and click on Add Persona, then enter each title you want to target. By adding multiple titles, Apollo will search for professionals who match those positions across different companies. Using persona-based targeting helps you avoid collecting random contacts and instead focus on people who are more likely to influence decisions within an organization. Once you've entered your persona filters, you can refine the search further by adjusting additional filters such as company size, industry, location, and revenue range. These filters help narrow down the list so you're finding leads that match your ideal customer profile. After applying your filters, Apollo will generate a list of matching leads. Take a moment to review the results. Each entry typically includes information such as the person's name, job title, company, and sometimes verified contact details. Now let's organize these leads. Select the leads you want by checking the boxes next to their names. Once you've selected them, click the Add to List option at the top of the results page. Apollo will prompt you to either add the contacts to an existing list or create a new one. Choose Create New List, then give your list a clear name. For example, something like New Lead A1. Click Update and the selected leads will now be saved to that list. Saving leads into lists is useful because it helps you organize prospects for different campaigns or projects. Now let's export the leads. Navigate to the List section in Apollo and open the list you just created. At the top of the page, look for the Export option. Click Export and Apollo will generate a downloadable file that usually includes the lead details such as names, companies, and contact information depending on your account permissions. The exported file is typically downloaded as a spreadsheet format like CSV, which you can open in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. From there, you can use the data for outreach campaigns, CRM imports, or marketing analysis. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.